Your disappointment is a completely valid way to be feeling, but it's not caused by your circumstances. Disappointment is caused by believing thoughts that usually have the word should in it. That should have happened. She shouldn't have done that. This should never have unfolded the way that it did. But it did. And she said that, or that did happen. And so resisting reality is uncomfortable and it's a choice. So in order to overcome this feeling of disappointment, it's first important that you embrace the discomfort that you've presently created for yourself by resisting the way that reality is unfolded. And then ask yourself, go ahead and journal, how can I choose to see this situation differently? When we take a step back and begin opening up to different perspectives, we might notice how we were resisting and that another possibility of seeing the situation is available instead.